The referendum campaign, like the weather, has been hotting up in the past few weeks since the Assembly elections, and now all of the discussion is on the huge decision that we are making on our future on the 23rd of June. We believe that it's in Wales's interests, politically, culturally, economically, socially, to stay within the European Union. As a small nation, a bilingual nation, our natural home is in Europe, and of course, to help build our economy and create jobs, we need to work in partnership with the other countries of Europe. That's the very positive message I've been putting across. Europe has kept the peace for many decades. Europe is able to offer us an opportunity for a better future. We want Wales to be a nation with its own voice in Europe, but certainly we don't want to lose the voice that we have now. It's too important. So this vote is not for us, it's for our future generations. And so I hope that, like me, you will all be voting to remain in the EU.